Welcome back to Coin Sense and Nonsense. Today we've got a long-awaited opening, and it's that darn flightless bird, I think, from down under. Finally walked its way over here, but, ooh, it's a PCGS MS-70 Queen. No, it's an emu. Look at that. Supposedly perfect. So I will be the secondary judge of that. So it's finally here. It took forever, but I guess when you're perfect, you can take as long as you want. So it's a first strike MS-70, and they're still available, shockingly now, so get them while you can. Anyway, this is my emu, my one and only, and it'll probably stay that way. So, until next time, Coin Sense and Nonsense. Emu out. Alright, we had to take it out of the package and get a better look. So let's see here. Whoa. I don't have my usual lighting here, but that's not too bad. So that's the emu. Walk along, Mr. Emu. So hopefully no spotting, no scratching, no whatever. It's supposed to be perfect. So, again, until next time, Coin Sense and Nonsense. Bye. Bye.